Today I'm going to teach you to make classic iced oatmeal cookies. Hi friends, hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm Carla Montfort. Welcome to my cooking atelier, where I'll be teaching you delicious and simple recipes, as well as many tips and techniques that will help you love and enjoy the art of cooking. If you want to keep learning all these amazing recipes and easy techniques, I invite you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's cook. These are the ingredients that we're going to need. To start, we're going to add the oatmeal into a food processor or blender and pulse a couple of times. We want to get a combination of powder and bits of oatmeal. In a medium-sized bowl, we'll add oatmeal, flour, corn starch, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Let's mix it with a whisk or a fork. In the bowl of your stand mixer, we'll add the soft butter and sugars. You can definitely do this in a bowl using an electric handheld mixer. We're going to blend it until we get a soft consistency. Add the oatmeal mix and combine it. Next, incorporate the egg and vanilla extract. Don't overmix it, just until it's integrated. We are going to leave it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes so the consistency is easier to handle. In the meantime, prepare 2 baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone mats, which I prefer. They are very practical and reusable. Now that the cookie dough is ready, grab 2 teaspoons, or if you have a cookie scoop, start filling in the baking sheets. Keep them a little bit apart because they will expand. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 14 minutes. While the cookies are baking, we're going to prepare the icing. This is so simple to make. Grab a small bowl. We'll add the powdered sugar, vanilla, and milk. Using a small whisk or fork, just mix it. Make sure there are no lumps, and it's ready. Take the cookies out and let them cool down completely. Now that they're cooled down, let's ice them. You can use a kitchen brush or the back of a spoon. Let the icing set for a couple of minutes before you taste them. Our cookies are ready. They look and smell amazing. So let's taste. Crunchy, chewy, perfect. I really hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next one. Happy cooking!